Welcome back, everybody. In today's episode of Cooking with Kirby, we're going to be having a little fun. We're going to be making a copycat of the Egg McMuffin. Now, this is the first video of a series that I'm going to be putting together. So, I know times are crazy right now. Some places are closed, and I just hope everybody's safe out there. But no further ado, let's get into the recipe. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media. That way you can get notification of all my new recipes. Alright, so we got our griddle all nicely oiled up. Now we're going to be using these silicone egg patty makers. These are really cool. I got these off of Amazon. They make the eggs perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and lay these down. Now the trick with these is you kind of want to spray them because the egg will stick to it. So just go ahead and grease them up a little bit. Okay, we're going to go ahead and drop in our egg. This is really easy. I got my griddle at medium heat. Now that silicone ring is going to keep everything in there. Sometimes it does seep out a little bit. Just make sure that it's all the way on the griddle. But these do make some really cool egg patties. Now that we got our eggs in there, we're going to go ahead and puncture the yolk. Now you could scramble the egg also and pour it in there, but I don't know. I just always do it like this. Alright, so we're going to let this cook in. Once you see the white on the bottom of the egg get nice and firm, then we'll go ahead and flip it. So we're going to cook the egg actually about 80% of its cook time on that side, and then we're just going to flip it just to finish it off. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and remove the silicone rings. See how it comes off nice and easy? That's what you want. Now we're going to go ahead and flip them. Now just go ahead and give them a flip. Literally like seconds. Like they're already pretty much all the way cooked, so we're just flipping it probably like 30 seconds and letting it just, you know, crisp up that other side. And then we'll move these over to the side, and then I'll show you what else we're going to be putting in there. Alright, so now we're going to just go ahead and take off our eggs. Put those to the side. Now this is really quick. Really quick. This is an easy breakfast. Alright, now we're going to be using some Jim Dean already cooked sausages. You know, these are tough times right now. Kind of hard to get a hold of ingredients and stuff, especially when people are just buying up everything. So I was able to at least get these. You know, it'll make a nice little sausage patty for me. Since these are already cooked, all we're really doing is, you know, heating them up. These were frozen, and we're just going to brown them up real quick. All right, while those are just browning up, we're going to toast up some just good old English muffins. So we'll go ahead and flip our muffins. Blackstone does a really good job on toasting, especially if it's flat, since these are not so flat. That one's got a good color on there. Just go ahead and toast that other side. Go ahead and give our patties a flip. Get some cooking on that other side. Now these are really thin. Basically just heating those up really. Super simple recipe. This probably cost me like $6, and I'll be able to make a lot of egg McMuffins. All right, we'll go ahead and take off our muffins. Got a nice little crisp on them. All right, after about 2.5–3 minutes on per side, our sausages are pretty much done. They're already cooked, so let's go ahead and assemble our McMuffin. So we're going to start off with our toasted muffin. Really simple, y'all. Now we're going to go ahead and put down some ketchup, just for some flavor. Our patty, some good old American cheese, and then our egg. And that right there, folks, that's the Egg McMuffin. But it wouldn't be cooking with Kirby if I didn't do my own thing. So we're gonna go ahead and make a different one. We would need something filling. This right here, you would need 2 of these just to get you going throughout your day. So we're gonna make it where it's gonna be worth eating. So we're gonna go ahead and lay down our patty. We're gonna do a layer of American cheese, lay down an egg, do one more patty, American cheese, and another egg. Now, I prefer the ketchup on top. That way when you bite into it, it goes in the mouth a little bit better. Go ahead and just stir that around. And that right there, folks, is Kirby's egg sausage McMuffin. This right here is a breakfast. You got the meat, you got the egg, you got the cheese. Jazzy, what do you think about it?
It's good.
Taste tester approved. All right. Cheers, y'all. This right here will do. That Jim Dean sausage is pretty damn good. Nicely seasoned. And as you can see through all this, I didn't add any salt to this. It's really good. Good stuff, Jasmine. Cheers. These are some tough times, and it's even affecting me. You know, if you're having a hard time, you know, getting groceries and stuff like that, check your food banks. They are providing, you know, food. Just the other day, I seen our local food bank giving out their food, you know, to people that need it. So if you're having trouble, you know, getting groceries at the grocery store, check your local food bank. My next video is the wild style In-N-Out burger. I'm gonna be showing you how to do that also. Some restaurants are closed, so if there is something you would like to see me make, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about my version of the Egg McMuffin. It's gonna be a great breakfast for me. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. That way you can see future videos just like this. Now I have these recipes, they're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.